Greetings, 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 and welcome to my channel where every day there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something now. One more sign you need before you believe and follow Jesus. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, I invite you to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Luke chapter 11 from verse 29 to verse 32. When more and more people start to crowd around Jesus, him say, the people them in at that time, I want wicked set of people. They ask for one sign where would approve, say, a God send me. They now get none. The only sign them are going to get is something like what did happen with Jonah. Just like how Jonah did a one sign for the Nineveh people them. A same so the man where God pick are going to be one sign for the people them in at that time. Yeah. The queen will come from Sheba in at the south. She will come back alive with the people them from that time. Yeah. She go show say them wrong, cause she did come from far, far, just for hear the wise sitting them where Solomon did have to say. But look here, somebody way bigger than Solomon, the right here so. The people from Nineveh I got turn up on judgment day with the people them from that time here and show them say they wrong. Cause when Jonah did warn the Nineveh people, them did sorry for what they do and change them ways. But look here, somebody way bigger than Jonah, the right here so. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.